PostNet. We do printing, shipping, virtual mailboxes to help our small business customers. COVID hit negatively our business, and we lost a lot of projects, we lost a lot of revenue. However, we have been trying to accommodate the new needs in the community. We do promotional products, we do printing and signage, but we also support our small business owners, the new wave that are working from home and they need a physical address. They can get virtual mailboxes with us. And in addition, for the other companies or the small businesses that we work with, we do masks or hand sanitizers, maybe notes or post notes that they can use to communicate with their clients or their employees. We drive our business by networking. That's something that we enjoy because it allows us to build relationships with our clients, and we create brand awareness in our community that way. But since the pandemic, we had to try to reach out to our potential clients and to our new clients or to our existing clients in a different way. So how we did that is by sending marketing materials to their homes, called EDDM or direct marketing, with our personal message to them that we are thinking about everybody. It's hard for all of us, but letting them know that we are here to support them still on whatever efforts they want to have to continue their business themselves. I want people to know that we are your local marketing hub, and whether if it's for a small business, a startup that needs your business cards while you are getting set up with your virtual mailbox, and we can provide to you ideas and consultation on marketing to increase your revenues. We also can provide the services for just anyone in the community with shipping or drop-offs. And now that the holidays are coming up soon, think of us when you need to ship something. We again work with DHL, with FedEx, and whether maybe you need to have a fun bag to put in your present or your card that you want to send to that someone special. We got your back. We are here to support you. We have lots of creativity that can help you out if you need to. Learn more about virtual mailboxes here in Centennial and call us at 720-722-0525. Again, 720-722-0525, and learn how you can manage your mail from your phone. Especially if you are a business that is just starting up, this is a great feature that I know you love. We have over 300 customers here in this location. They all love it. And they start as low as $9.99 with no contracts attached. So also for the ones who live in condos and they are tired of junk mail, we can sort that mail for you for just that minimum fee. So give us a call, 720-722-0525, and ask about our virtual mailboxes.